What's happening in our local Southwest Indiana real estate market? Hey, I'm Trey Dobie with Dobie Real Estate, here with a quick update to go over what's happening in our local real estate market. In the month of September, we actually saw home sales drop almost 10% this year compared to September of 2021. This year we saw just under 440 home sales. Last year we saw almost 480 home sales. However, the 440 home sales that we saw this year was in line with what we typically see in September, especially from 2016 to 2019. In 2020 and 2021, we had very big Septembers due to the pandemic. In 2020, we saw home sales slow down as we went into lockdown, so we had a very big fall. That big fall continued throughout the winter and into the spring and throughout the entire year of 2021, quite frankly, because there wasn't near enough homes for sale. People were doing well financially. Interest rates were extremely low, which really fueled buyer demand. And so we had a very big September of 2020 and 2021. So 440 home sales is more of a normalizing of the real estate market, which we've seen the real estate market start to normalize really right around June of this year, which is a good thing. If we look at our average sales price, the average sales price this year was $217,000 for the month of September, which is a 4.6% increase over what we saw the year before. And year to date, we're seeing that the average sales price is up about 5.42% compared to last year. Now that's very good news that we're seeing 5.42% as opposed to much higher numbers. You may be thinking, you're crazy. I own my house. I want the values to go up. Well, we saw home values go up very drastically in 2021. Home values went up about 13%. In 2020, we saw home values go up 9%. That was not sustainable long term, because if homes continued to appreciate at that value, it would get to the point where homes became unaffordable. Thankfully, we're seeing that calm down. Historically, we're typically around 2, 3, maybe 4% on appreciation year over year. So we did not want to see it continue above the 10, 15%. So it's good that the market is starting to calm down and normalize. We're starting to see more of a normal market. It's good news for home buyers because they're actually able to take a day or two and go out and look at houses. They're actually able to look at a house and actually sleep on it and make a decision before they buy it. We're still seeing multiple offers, but nothing like what we saw in the fall of 2020 or throughout most of 2021 or even early this year. We're seeing multiple offers at, for example, we listed a house that was listed for $275,000 in Evansville, and within like 4 or 5 days, we had 2 or 3 offers. Had that been a year ago, we probably would have seen 6 or 7 offers within the first year. But the local real estate market varies greatly depending on what community you're in and what price point you're in. For example, I was looking at a home. We have a home listed in Newburgh right now, right around the $560,000 mark. And I was looking at homes listed for sale between $450,000 and $650,000 in Newburgh. And there's 21 homes currently for sale. Of those 21 homes, 15 of them have actually made a price adjustment this year, or that's active right now, have actually made a price adjustment. A year or two ago, we weren't seeing hardly any price adjustments. So it's a good thing overall for the market. It's good for buyers because they have some time to think about the decisions that they make, which is allowing people to make better decisions, and it's allowing sellers to have a better sell, because whenever people were making rash decisions, they were backing out and obviously creating bad problems for home sellers. But it is still really a great time to sell your house. We still have historically low number of homes for sale. In fact, we're still under a 1.5 months supply of homes. A normal market is usually right around 5 to 7 months supply of homes. So what do I mean by month supply of homes? As I mentioned, we had right around 440 homes that sold in the month of September. So that means we should have right around 660 homes for sale right now at 1.5 months supply, because that is 1.5 times the number of homes that sold in the previous month. Again, a normal market is 5 to 7 months. So it's still a very strong market if you're thinking about selling. But as I mentioned, this largely varies depending on where your home is located at and at what price point you're at. So if you have questions about your specific situation, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I'm Trey with Dobie Real Estate, and I hope you have a great day.